What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be looking at the charge tube kit from RPM for the Maverick R. So, up top, we have our BOV tube. This is going to be on the passenger side of the car that goes from the intercooler to the throttle body. And then on the bottom down here, we have our charge tube. This is going to go from the turbo to the driver's side of the intercooler. So, these are all 5-ply wire reinforced silicone. Let's hop back up here and I'll show you what that means. What wire reinforced silicone is this? This is literally just wire that's reinforcing our silicone and preventing it from being able to implode or explode. So we have super durable, super strong silicone, and then we have it 5-ply, which is way far above the industry standard. How this works is we have 2 plies of silicone, and this is kind of what a ply is this white like reinforcement material is what they consider a ply of silicone. And you can see those on the end here. And what we do is we do 2 of those, we wrap it in wire, and we apply the other 3 plies, and what we do is we create a super heavy duty silicone. So this is kind of what ours looks like when you're squeezing it, trying to move it. You can't really get a whole lot out of it. This isn't even a completely done tube right here. You're not getting a whole lot. The factory one, put it in my strong arm. You kind of get the idea. Ours is a little bit stronger. So this is a maybe 20-mile-old silicone tube, and that's how it came off the car. So BRP, if you need to hook up on some quality silicone, let us know. We can fix these delaminating issues for you. So yeah, there's definitely a need for silicone upgrades. Other than just them not being strong, or maybe you just want to be able to add a BOV, we have that option. So that's what this is. So that's your one charge tube. This is your charge tube we call the BOV tube. They're available in all these colors. So you've got Neo Orange, which is the 24 Maverick R XRS color, and this is available. Actually, not even just the XRS. The Neo Orange is this color of the Can-Ams, and then they have Neon Green, which is going to be common on like the XMR color, orange, red, blue, and black. So those are your color options as of today. Obviously, we add colors as new models develop or different shades of blues and reds happen. We'll always be upgrading and adding to that. This is your charge tube. It goes from the intercooler or from the turbo to the intercooler, and that's it. Super clean, super sleek, smooth flowing design. If these tubes aren't enough for you, yes, we do offer intake tubes. We have it uninstalled right now to show off our catch can. So if you need a catch can, we've got one of those. This will be the bed to airbox intake tube. We call our big fatty. It's a super trick design that's way off from the factory one. You need to check it out. Check out our other videos, check out our website for it. Down here, we have the intake tube from the airbox to the turbo. These are all 5-ply wire reinforced as well. Super sleek. They're a little bit all different shape. We've reshaped all these silicone tubes to make them smooth flowing as possible while getting from point A to point B, just like we always do. Some of these tubes use the factory clamps because BRP was nice enough to send these machines out with some super high-end spring-loaded Oerlikon clamps. So that was nice of them. Any other clamps and hardware you need, we include with all of our kits. You can pick these up at RPMSxS.com or any of our dealers.